We are on the road to Decatur, Illinois. Enjoy the ride. Boys and girls, hope you all are doing well today. So as you can tell, I am not on the bike. That's right. It's a road trip, that's for sure. I guess you've gathered that by what you've seen so far. So yes, I am on the road. So yes, I'm on the road and I am headed to Illinois. I'm going to pick up a motorcycle. And you're like, what? That's right. I bought another bike. and we're gonna get to see it for the first time together very soon. Or actually, I might wait until I get it back home before I do the reveal. I don't know yet. I guess we'll find out. I'll think about it. But in the meantime, enjoy the ride. Gas stop. I'm still in Ohio and I've got a couple hundred miles to go yet. Am I getting tired? Yeah, a little bit. But we'll see. What's weird is for some stupid reason the trailer connection on the truck keeps failing, and it says that it says trailers connected, and then it says trailers not connected. So it's causing a little bit of grief, and I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know if it's the truck connection that's doing it or if it's the trailer wiring. I suspect it's the truck's connection. But we'll find out. Alright, I'm gonna get back to Route 70. And hopefully make some better progress. Again, like I said, we're here in Ohio, and the temperature right now is 28 degrees and it's snowing. All right, more fun to be had. All right, so here we are in the hotel room. Took me a little longer than I thought it was going to be, probably because none of the roads were straight, and then I had to take some of these side ulterior routes. I don't know, that's the way the GPS sent me, and that was the fastest way apparently. But here I am. I made it to Decatur, Illinois, and so I'm just going to chill out for the night. I'm going to have some dinner, and then bright and early tomorrow morning we're going to go get the other bike. So, but thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this little video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.